Imagine launching a spacecraft nearly half a century ago, and it's still on a mission, sending back data from the far edge of the solar system. That's the incredible story of NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, the most distant human-made object currently in space. It's a story of brilliance, endurance, and pure scientific achievement. Voyager 1 was launched in 1977, and though it was only expected to last a few years, it continues its historic journey even today. The fact that it is still operating, despite being billions of miles from Earth, is nothing short of a miracle. This spacecraft has traveled so far that it has now entered interstellar space, an area beyond the influence of our Sun. It's like stepping out of your house and walking off the map into the great cosmic unknown. And what's more astonishing is that it still communicates with Earth. It uses technology from the 1970s, older than a cassette player. Just imagine something that old still working in today's fast-paced world. Its instruments were built before most of today's population was even born, yet it still sends valuable scientific data every day. The Voyager mission was made possible by the work of Gary Flandreau, a NASA scientist who discovered a rare alignment of planets. This special alignment only happens once every 176 years, and it allowed spacecraft to gain speed using the gravity of planets like Jupiter and Saturn. NASA had to act fast, and in the summer of 1977, they launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 just 15 days apart. The two spacecraft were designed to use this alignment to reach distant planets in record time. What was supposed to be a 4-year mission has now lasted over 45 years, and both spacecraft are still active. Their longevity has surprised everyone and rewritten what we thought was possible in space exploration. Voyager 1 and 2 delivered close-up images of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, showing active volcanoes, icy surfaces, and complex atmospheres. These discoveries changed how scientists saw these distant worlds. Voyager 2 went even further, becoming the only spacecraft to ever visit Uranus and Neptune. It sent back data that had never been collected before, revealing secrets about these mysterious ice giants. Despite being 14 billion kilometers away, Voyager still sends signals to Earth. It does this using just 69 kilobytes of memory and a 23-watt transmitter, about the same as a household light bulb. These signals take over 18 hours to reach Earth and face interference from things as simple as radios and cell phones. Still, Voyager manages to keep the communication going, which is simply remarkable. At the start, Voyager used a gravity assist maneuver that allowed it to slingshot around planets and gain speed. It was a risky but revolutionary technique that allowed it to journey across the solar system. Crossing the asteroid belt was dangerous too. Only Pioneer 10 and 11 had done it before. But Voyager made it safely, proving once again the mission's incredible planning and execution. One of the most exciting moments came when Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause in 2012. This is the point where the influence of the Sun ends and interstellar space begins. Scientists were eager to see what changes this boundary would reveal. However, instead of a sharp change in the magnetic field, which they had expected, the spacecraft found that the magnetic field remained stable. It was a huge surprise that challenged their theories about how space works. What Voyager did find was an increase in plasma density, a sign that it had indeed entered a new region. This showed that space was even more complex than we thought and opened new questions for scientists to explore. Even with limited power and outdated technology, the Voyager probes continue to deliver game-changing discoveries. They are pushing the limits of science and showing us what's beyond our small corner of the universe. These spacecraft are now on their way to the Oort cloud, a faraway region filled with icy bodies and ancient comets. Though they are still years away, reaching it would be another milestone in space exploration. Voyager's discoveries have changed how we view our place in the cosmos. The missions prove that even old machines can make new discoveries, and that exploration has no time limit. Their legacy goes beyond science. They are symbols of human curiosity, courage, and the desire to explore the unknown. They inspire new generations to dream of traveling beyond the stars. Every bit of data they send helps scientists understand how the universe works. From learning about magnetic fields to measuring cosmic rays, Voyager continues to contribute to science in ways never imagined. As long as their signals reach Earth, they will continue teaching us more about the solar system and beyond. They remind us that the quest for knowledge never truly ends. If you're amazed by what Voyager has accomplished, you're not alone. These spacecraft are helping us answer questions we didn't even know we had and may uncover mysteries yet to be discovered. Their journey is far from over, and the future of space exploration looks brighter because of them. They have become legends of science and engineering, proving what's possible with vision and determination. Subscribe to our channel and thanks